In recent times, jobs and making money have not been the easiest of things. People all over the world work hard to buy things for themselves. Assets like buying a house or an apartment and owning a car are not available to all. This is why most people who are lucky enough to have these things take special care to keep them protected and insured. High-quality services, however, come at a very high price which not everyone can afford. Taking advantage of the fact that most people cannot pay for high-quality services, the internet is filled with cheapest insurance company scam sites. These sites usually claim to offer high-quality services, at prices that literally 1,000 times lower than the market. The sheer charm of lower prices is why most people just sign up and start paying without conducting any verifications or checks. The problem only arises when a person needs to use their coverage, and are then stuck as either the site disappears or the bogus site does not respond to any means of communication. This leaves a person with not only the burden of paying for any damage to another person or property, but rather also having to bear the expense of fixing their own vehicles. When using the internet for anything at all, especially such important things like insurance, a person should always investigate the institution. The first thing to use while judge the credibility of a premium institute site is its overall appearance. A site belonging to a serious and authentic company will not have flashing signs, soon-ending discounts and online-only application processes. A professional site will also display its contact details and information all in plain sight, and not hide it. If the look of the site checks out perfectly, the next thing to focus on is the wording and text provided. A proper institution site will have politically and grammatically perfectly written text, presented in proper fonts and paragraphs. Sites with inappropriately large or brightly colored fonts should set off some alarm signals in your head. Though it is understandable that many people would like to find vehicle coverage that is affordable, it is nonetheless important to check the authenticity of the site or institution. You do not want to end up stuck with a huge amount of expenses at the wrong time, just because you were trying to save a few bucks. Breaking news: TN insurers told to offer payment grace period after storms. You can find details about the 60-day extension on policy payments and information about cheapest insurance company scam sites, now. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.